Canvas shoes are one of the most popular shoes in the market nowadays. They are simple, basic, and very popular. They can be used as a uniform or they can be used as a casual wear. Today we are going to talk about how to decorate them in a way that they can look unique and significant. Definitely everybody wants to be significant. So you can use the markers to decorate your canvas shoes to look different. We are going to tell you 6 top canvas markers which could make your shoes very different. The links of these products will be in the description, so you can just go right away and click on them. Let's get started with the first product, which is super markers. This product is one of the best because it has all the complete rainbow colors with 20 unique different eye-catchy colors. The ink is permanent, so it won't go away easily, and it can write on any surface to make it bright and vivid. You can use it on fabric, you can use it on t-shirts, bags, and definitely on your canvas shoes. These ink markers are perfect for the professional artists as well as the normal beginners like me and you. And if you want to have some basic drawing, you can use the thicker tip, and if you want to make some extra beautiful professional painting, you can use the thinner nib, which could be used for these type of paintings. The second choice of markers would be fabric markers by Ain Art. These are 30 vivid color markers. They have great quality and variety of ultra bright shades. These are high quality markers, and you can design your artwork and different type of pictures on your shoes and make them different. Their rich pigment German fabric dye ink stays longer and keep your DIY canvas shoes beautiful for a very long time. Also, these fabric markers have a very good writer bullet tip for multiple tasks like drawing, painting, sketching, underlining, and so many other things. The number 3 would be Acrylico by Acrylic markers. These Acrylico markers are good options as they are entirely safe for health. These markers are specifically screened and declared safe, and these markers package in a odor-free, non-toxic painting tool for everyone. You can transform your art projects to a whole different level by using these markers. You can use these markers to draw on almost any surface. The quick drying of these colors make them unique and definitely one of the choices here. They can be drawn on ceramic, paper, glass, metal, and definitely the fabric. So you can draw on your shoes. With 1 mm tip, you can draw many types of artworks which are beautiful and they will look great. The next choice would be acrylic paint by Thule Arts. You will get 30 markers comprising of 28 unique and amazing colors. 2 extra black and white markers definitely because people use them a lot. Colors vary from vibrant primary to secondary shades, which could be subtle pastel colors, and this could make your artwork beautiful. And these are one of the best markers, especially in pigmented ink. They can provide you a cool, opaque coverage on any surface. Their fade resistant ink dries easily and then stays for a very long period of time. They have a 0.7 mm tip, which is great for drawing complex artworks. They can draw on glass, stone, pen, silk, wood, cloth, paper, carton, plastic, or anything. The next option is Craft for All markers. These premium quality durable markers are the combination of 20 vibrant markers. Rich colors in every value box. Black, dark green, purple, violet are one of the few of many nice colors they have. These markers are suitable for interior arts, clothing, shoes, handbags, and many more. Their minimum bleeding qualities allow you to make the DIY faster and quick, and they stay permanently on the fiber for a very long time, so you can have a very nice experience. If washed with a mild detergent on a normal wash, they are completely machine washable, pigmented, and fade resistant. Last but not the least are the 12 pieces acrylic paint. These pens come with 12 colors which are very vibrant, very nice, like red, blue, gray, violet, gold, chocolate, silver, black, white, orange, yellow, and purple. By using these markers on or pens on different type of These acrylic paint markers come with a 2 mm tip, which is simple to manage and flowing smoothly with excellent coverage. These markers work almost on all surfaces, so you don't have to worry about, especially on rocks, fiber, wood, acrylic, paper, and so on. So this is the choice, and these are the markers which could be used on your canvas shoes to make them beautiful and look different. Please make sure to subscribe and see you in another video.